What's going on, people? This shit right here, man, got me a powerful lead, B. Hold on, wait for a couple of you guys to jump on it. Actually, I'm not gonna wait. Actually, got some things that I do. So let's see. We adjust this real quick. What's going on, people? So, what's going on? Went down to the dealership that I got my car from, referring some of my friends to it to get them their car, and of course I had this beautiful advertisement on our face credit. Okay, Sebastian, what up, champ? And so, Daniel, what's going on? So, having this shirt on, baby, got the dealership asking me, "Hey, man, you fix credit? Listen, you got some cards? Because we got tons of clients that we can refer to you to get this credit fixed, so they can come back and get this car." And I was like, "Damn, that easy?" So they were like, "Yeah, we're gonna start referring customers to you." Because I told them the fact that we don't just fix credit, we also can help people report their rent payments to the credit bureau. They're like, "What?" And so they said, "That's good. That's good for when they want to buy a house." So we're really helping them not just get into a car, but also buy a house. I said, "Yeah." I said, "You helping them people do more than just build their credit for a car." What's going on, Daniel? And so the power of having this shirt on, I fix credit. I forgot I had it on when I went to the dealership, but it's a tip, man. You definitely want to tap into that, having these shirts. If you fix credit, I don't care what company you are, but having this shirt on, I sell the shirts too, so get that being in my inbox. But if you haven't heard of MWR Financial, then you want to definitely hit me up and ask me, "Jeff, what's that MWR Financial situation? How are you able to help people fix credit? Not just fix credit, but have their rent reported to the credit bureaus. Not only that, okay, have them get an instant pay raise in their paycheck starting as soon as next pay period. Not only that, show them how to actually become their own bank, all right? Not only that, show them how to also get into land banking." So there's a lot of people here, a lot of my friends, they got money sitting in the bank and don't know what to do with it, okay? Their money's not growing, and they know that, but they have no other alternative. They're like, "Okay, what else am I do with my money? It's sitting in the bank. I don't know what else to do with it." Until now, because now with this private, this bank, this program that allows you to be the bank and to have your money grow 6 to 12% every year. On top of it, baby, to use this bad boy to do multiple different things tax free without worrying about any penalties, it's something that you want to definitely tune into and understand. Now, for a lot of people, may be over their heads. But I really came onto this live to let you know about how this iFix credit shirt got me a dealership that's going to refer their clients to me, because they want their clients to what? Get a better credit score. And like I said, I don't do the fixing credit. We partner with a company that has 27 years of experience, and we're building credit. They send out unlimited dispute letters on top of a couple more things that they do to help your credit get a boost and clear up some of that stuff off your credit, okay? And so for $79.95 or $79.97, you and your spouse, that's right, you and your husband or wife can get the same services for that one price, okay? That's $40. That's roughly about $40 a person to get their credit score improved. If they work a W-2, to get money back on their paycheck, and I don't do none of that. You get your own CPA here. You get the tax bot to help you keep track of your earnings, okay, and what you spent on. So at the end of the year, you have a nice, beautiful, neat form where you can send it to your CPA and get your tax done correctly. But with this, if you work a W-2 job, how to get more money in your paycheck by next week, and we can prove before you even sign up. We can prove how much you can possibly get back on your next paycheck, start next pay period, by just simply connecting me, and I put you into that. I'll put you into the website that can actually see if you qualify for an instant pay raise at all. Okay. 2, not only you get an instant pay raise for you and your husband, if you're the female, or you and your wife, or you also can both get your credit fixed up for the same $79.97. The same $79.97, you and your husband can both get your credit repaired. Not only that, it also reports to the credit bureaus. We can also have your rent payment, your rent payments. If you're paying rent, we can have your rent payment report to the credit bureau, all 3 of them. Okay? We also got a line of credit in here where you can actually get you a secured credit card here. All right. Now, I don't think you guys understand, for $79.99 or $79.97 to be exact, these services you're getting for the same freaking price. Then after you see this service allows you to dominate the 4 quadrants of success. All right, you become an employer. We increase your paycheck in your employment, and then we show you how to actually have your money work for you while you're working your job by getting you a private reserve account, aka becoming your own bank with the extra money that we got you, while fixing your credit. Okay, fixing your credit, removing things off your credit so your credit score can increase, and so that your percentages can drop, right? Your percentages of your car loan. If you're paying 21% because you have bad credit, but you got the loan, now when your credit is repaired, we can go and refinance that loan, get it down from 21% to 4%. Same thing on a house. Okay, what's up, Tiana? What's going on? Tania, I'm sorry, don't listen. I'm not good with names, girl. Well, Miss Haddock, what's going on, sweet love? And after you got your credit repaired, after you got more money in your paycheck without working an extra hour to have it, and not waiting at the end of the year to get your money, you can have your money start working for you and growing you more money every month by having your own bank, aka your private reserve account. Okay, this has been going on for years. I mean, people that's well off has been doing this for years, and now you have the opportunity to get access to this information. Not just get access to the information, but actually have a WealthMax professional set it up and structure it to where you're winning. Okay, you're becoming your own bank in real life. All right. And then last but not least, if you got debt, bankruptcies, your wages are being garnished, all kinds of deals like that, you can really get that. Student loans, we can go ahead and get those things fixed up correctly. All right, this is some serious business here. All right, that I'm doing. That's why I had to get the shirt made. Right, because we really finna fix somebody's credit, but more than that, we do more than that for $79.97, guys. Be your own bank. Then we show you, once your money starts to grow, we'll show you where to put the money so it can grow even more. Okay, we show you how to getting part of land banking. Okay, simply mean, imagine a busy area where you live at. You're downtown. Imagine if you owned the land to downtown, wherever it's busy in your city. Imagine if you owned the land there and you waited for 5 years and they grew and built buildings on top of the land that you bought. You wouldn't even have, people would have to call somebody to get you on the phone because you'd be so well off. Well, this is the opportunity to do right now. I get to have the opportunity to buy land for 20 to 40% below market value. Okay, land, y'all, in places that are being developed, like California, like down here in downtown Atlanta. Get to own the land. Okay, this company goes and makes sure they do the research and get the land plots for you and show you where you can put your money at to where you own the land, because they're developing buildings, hospitals, banks, schools, whatever, and you own the land and they got to build on anyway. This is amazing, to get access to these type of people for $79.97 and have a consultation with them, and this all they do all day long is help you become your own bank and help you buy land. This is like a no-brainer. And so I had to come on here and talk to you guys about that, because I'm so happy somebody told me about it, right? Because I was already looking to buy land already. I was already looking into becoming my own bank because I wanted to open a bank back home in Ghana. And so now I get to do that for myself, and now I get to help other people for $79.90 freaking seven. Inbox me, man. Ask me how you can become your own bank, how you become, buy land, how you can fit your credit, or how you can get more money back in your paycheck, or how you can offer the service to other people. Okay? Because now I got the dealership 1 on the line, and they're going to send me their clients. Guess what? Their clients is going to do what? Buy it from me. Why? Because they referred them to me. I'll give you a story. When I went with my friend, to go, she wanted to go refinance her car, okay, because she was paying too much for the note. Well, guess what? We went over to, I think it was Nissan, and she had a little bitty car, and she wanted the van. Well, they were like, well, your credit's bad, so you can't really get into that van. You got to pay this 19% interest on this little bitty car until you improve your credit. But he said, I'm gonna give you a number to somebody that can actually improve your credit. Well, there was that he was the boyfriend of the girlfriend. He was the boyfriend of the girl who he referred her to. So he referred his girlfriend to her, and she did what? She paid $100 a month to build her credit. Okay, fix her credit. It worked. Okay, I think she spent 3 months with the girl, and it raised his credit score up. Okay, she went back, refinanced the car. It went from 19% to 4% interest rate on the car, and she got the SUV. So that she went from the little car to the SUV, went from paying 19% to 4%, and guess what? They referred her to the girlfriend. The woman got her car that she wanted. The girlfriend got paid for 3 months or so, and everybody's happy. Okay? Long story short, this is now what I'm able to do. But I'm able to not just build credit and fix their credit. I'm able to help them do much more. So fix their credit, get an instant pay raise in their paycheck, show them how to become their own bank, and show them how to get access to land, so that when they build on the land, when it's time to cash out, you cashing out heavy. Guys, I don't think you understand the magnitude of what I got access to right now. For $79.95 as a customer, ridiculous. To be a rep, $228. What? Ridiculous, y'all. So I'm not gonna make it too long, because you see I'm melting. I'm chocolate, baby. I can't be staying in the heat like that. I gotta stay nice and cool. So, understand what I'm telling you. I hope you understand what I'm putting down, because I promise you, I'm already in a position where it's about to be crazy. My team in a position where it's about to be crazy for them. Because guess what? As I'm getting the leads, I'm not going to be selfish. I'm going to funnel that bad boy. And then I'm going to tell y'all I need to go ahead and get to these dealerships, because they're looking for somebody to refer people to, so they can get their credit score better, so they can get qualified for the car. Just go hand in hand, y'all. Everyday stuff. There's no shortage of this. There's no shortage of these problems, because people got bad habits. All right? And so I say all to say, man, I got a car dealership referring me customers, and I'm making money every single customer, every single month. And that's just dealership number one. I'm about to go to the next dealership with my I Fish Credit shirt, just to get an inquiry. And they're going, you fish credit? Yeah. Matter of fact, let me give you my I Fish Credit business cards. How your people call me, I can help them get their credit fixed. Not only that, if they pay rent, I can have their rent payments reported to the credit bureau, so it actually helps them track good rental history. So when they come down to buy a house, they're not only building credit by paying their rent through the program, they're also looking good to the loan officers as them making on-time payments for their rent payments, so that it looks like to them they can make good payments on their mortgage payments. Guys, what I got to tell you, man, you really want to be blowing up my inbox for this information. And then when I send that information to you, you want to definitely take a serious, no nonsense, cut everything off, look at it. Because I'm not even going to talk about in a few months, or just watch me roll. Just watch the team roll, and watch the people being helped and getting into cars. You'll see the testimonials. That's what I got to say. I'm melting. I'll see y'all next live. Peace.